Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fit and fine and busy in preparing your MA English second year exams. Today I am here with the summary of the novel The Solid Mandala by Patrick White. Stay tuned till the end of this video and you will be able to revise this novel from MEG 8 in an easier way with written notes. So we shall start now. The Solid Mandala by Patrick White. It was published in 1966. Patrick won Nobel Prize for this novel. Patrick White was an Australian writer and this novel, The Solid Mandala, was very famous. Patrick White, born on 28th May 1912 in London, England, and died on 30th September 1920 in Sydney. His famous works were Happy Valley, The Living and the Dead, The Aunt's Story, The Tree of Man, The Solid Mandala, The Eyes of the Storm, Three Uneasy Pieces. From 1935 to 37, he wrote 12 novels, 3 short stories, and 8 plays. The Solid Mandala. In this novel, main characters were two twin brothers, Arthur and Waldo. They were opposite to each other. They always seemed to argue with one another, but they still lived together. This whole novel based on the story of these two brothers. Arthur was honest and sincere. Waldo was emotional, works in a library and self-doubting. Dulcie, friend of these two brothers, both brothers loved Dulcie very much, but Dulcie considered them as a good friends only. Mrs. Poulter was a friend of two brothers, religious woman, but she had a strong bond with Arthur. Mrs. Dunn, relative of these two brothers, she always criticized these two because of their unnatural behavior and she insulted them for their behavior. Mr. and Mrs. Musto, they were neighbors. Mr. Merceau made mandala and Mrs. Musto was very talkative. Welly works with Arthur. He died when he was fighting in the war. Summary of the novel is as follows. This story starts in a small town, Sarsaparilla, in Australia. Here these two brothers lived who are exactly opposite to each other. They don't talk to each other much and they also have totally different choices. They fight and argue on small issues. They live together in the house. Waldo was egoistic and considered himself superior of Arthur, but in reality he was failed writer. He was always sad and didn't talk much with others. Arthur was humble and kind, and this character got more sympathy from the readers. He was generous, curious, and totally an unselfish person. When the novel started, it showed that now these two twin brothers were old. After retirement, they were back to their childhood home. Most of the time they spent in fighting and arguing with each other. Waldo always blamed Arthur for being criticized by other people and relatives. He also blamed Arthur for his failure. He thought because of Arthur he was not able to accomplish his goals. But Arthur was a simple man. He was most successful because of his kindness and friendliness in nature. He wrote poetry as well. Waldo worked in a library and he didn't get true love, friendship. He was always lost in his books and novels. On the contrary, Arthur worked in a store garage. He was friend of two women. He was frank. Waldo felt jealous and considered Arthur as his indirect companion or a competitor. The solid mandala refers to the collection of marbles by Arthur. 4 marbles were mandala. Mandala is a geometrical form which represents whole universe and according to Buddhism. Arthur gave these marbles to the two women whom he loved, Dulcie and Mrs. Poulter. But Arthur was neither married to Dulcie nor Poulter. Dulcie and Poulter were friends and Waldo as well, but they were some more closer to Arthur. Dulcie married someone else and named her child as Arthur. As Arthur and Waldo were getting old, they started to support each other and they trusted one another. They lived together and their relation also improved with time. They went for a walk together hand in hand with their dogs. They were unmarried throughout their life. This novel ended with an explosion when one of the two twin brothers died. So, with this, our video has come to an end. I believe that you have easily understood the topic. Link to the PDF notes is given below in the comment section. Please like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe the channel for more video updates. Thank you and have a nice day.